Businesses that ignore AI in 2025 will be left behind. Here are the top 3 AI tools every business must use this year. We're going to go through each one, and then at the end, I'm going to show you how to combine all 3 for maximum impact. Are you ready? Let's go. Tool number 1 is AI automation. This includes tools like Zapier, which can save you and your team hours every week. By connecting different apps together, you can automate boring, repetitive tasks like sending out emails or invoices or onboarding new customers. You can literally set it once, and it will happen automatically. It's like having a personal assistant, except it's an AI assistant, and it works 24/7. Now let me show you what this looks like in action. Imagine you just got a new customer. Congrats. Now normally, you would have to manually add them into your email list, send them an email, set up an invoice, and then follow up with them on social media to make sure they got everything they need. But with AI automation, you can connect your email platform, your CRM, and your social media accounts, and then when a new customer signs up, Zapier will automatically send them an email, add them to your email list, and even send you a notification, so you know that they signed up. It's so much easier and faster than doing it manually, and it saves you from making any mistakes, like forgetting to send an email or following up. The second tool is AI marketing. This includes tools like Jasper or Copy. AI, which can help you create ad copy, blog posts, social media content in minutes instead of days. All you need to do is type in a few keywords, and the AI will do the rest. This is amazing for scaling content without having to hire a huge team because you can literally double or triple your output with just one person. Imagine you run a social media agency and you need to post daily content for all of your clients. That's a lot of content. But with AI marketing tools, you can create templates for each client and then populate those templates with different images and text using AI. This allows you to create hundreds of unique pieces of content in just a few hours. And the third tool is an AI dashboard. This is a tool like you can use it to visualize your marketing data and get AI-powered recommendations on how to improve your campaigns. Now let me show you how to combine all 3 tools for maximum impact. First, use AI automation to set up a workflow that pulls data from your analytics platforms. Then use an AI dashboard to visualize that data and get recommendations on how to improve your campaigns. And finally, use AI marketing to create personalized content for your customers based on the insights you gained from your analytics. By combining all 3 tools, you can create a personalized customer journey that is triggered by their behavior and tailored to their interests. This will help you increase engagement, generate more leads, and ultimately drive more sales. And if you want to learn more about how to use AI to grow your business, make sure to check out our full course on AI for Business. Thanks for watching and see you soon.